She ignored you, and the moment you started chasing, you confirmed the exact value she placed on you, 0. Stop. The problem isn't complicated. She only needed one thing from you, predictability. This video gives you the Stoic formula to instantly destroy her certainty, flip the script, and force her to question everything. The moment she went silent, you ran straight into her trap. You were routing energy, validation, attention, emotional supply, directly to her life, no questions asked. The real issue is that you gave her control over your power grid. Every time you texted first or showed anxiety, you were a power station constantly routing energy to her life. When she went silent, she wasn't punishing you, she was simply turning off her consumption while knowing your power station would remain fully operational and waiting. Your availability was her psychological utility. This dynamic teaches her two fatal lessons: supply is guaranteed and you are dependent. The silent shift begins the moment you decide to disconnect your lines and redirect all that power back into your own city. If you're still here, you're ready to flip the script. The Stoic understands that power is derived from self-generation, not dependence. The first, non-negotiable step is the hard disconnect. You stop routing energy to her and focus only on your own internal consumption. We execute the 3 phases of the power rewiring. Phase 1, the disconnect switch. Mentally accept that all past efforts to power her life are finished. This is the radical acceptance required by Stoicism. You cannot control her consumption, you can only control where your energy is routed. Phase 2, the self-generation mandate. Aggressively shift your focus to maximizing your own life's output. Reinvest 100% of that emotional energy into your own career, fitness, and purpose. Your energy is no longer a currency to be spent on her, it is capital to be used to make your own life brighter. Phase 3, the scarcity signal. When you are busy powering yourself, your value is automatically signaled. When she tests you, she is simply checking to see if you reattached your lines. Your response must communicate scarcity and non-availability. Your focus on your own power becomes the only thing she cannot predict or control. When you execute this rewiring, you create an unprecedented effect as the pressure flips. She is no longer dealing with a constant energy source, she is dealing with a fixed asset whose energy is now officially non-negotiable. The question in her mind flips from, "Will he check on me?" to "Why is his life shining so brightly without my consumption?" Your reclaimed power creates the one thing she cannot tolerate: uncertainty about your dependence. She is forced to initiate genuine contact, not because she missed your chase, but because she fears losing access to the new, stable source of value you have become. This is the ultimate mastery of the silent shift. You didn't chase her light, you became the power source, forcing her to seek permission to tap into your powerful grid. If you're ready to stop chasing shadows and fully own the power you just unlocked, do this now. Smash the like button to accept the challenge, and hit subscribe to claim your new playbook.